It's Alpha time here at European Motors, and we have a bright red 2021 Giulia Q4. Q4 is the all-wheel drive. This vehicle is all-wheel drive for all the seasons here in the Midwest. It's gorgeous red with black interior. I just love the styling on these cars. And then the huge thing, I guess I didn't even touch on it. We'll see if it shows there. This only has 35,000 miles on it. So that means that this car is still under Alfa factory warranty. It's under factory warranty through 50,000 miles or through May of 2025. Has brand new set of tires on it. I do know there is a small ding in the hatch right there, if that's showing up. Other than that, this is a really clean car. The back seats here. Look at those brand new tires. Oh, the silver 17-inch wheels. Sorry about my shadow. Got a low hanging sun this morning. Front end is in good shape. A couple small little chips here and there, but overall what you'd expect from a car with this mileage. Another perk of these Alphas is this vehicle has remote start as well, and the cold weather package. So you have heated seats, heated steering wheels. Let's go hop in and take it for a spin and go through some more of those options. So they do a lot of fun styling things in these Alphas, and one that I like is you have the push button start on the steering wheel. So we'll fire it up, you'll see all the warning lights come on and clear as they should. 35,562 miles, and I might have to go up a mile or two because I think this is one that would be fun to take to lunch, Kyle. For those of you that know me, I am a BMW fan. I really like BMWs. Nice backup camera here. These cars are very, very similar to a BMW. So if you're looking at a BMW sedan, you should go drive one of these. They are a lot of fun, and you get a lot for your money with Alfa. And the styling is just, I mean, they did a phenomenal job. This one's really well equipped. We have heated seats, heated steering wheel, has the driver assist package. So we have our blind spot monitoring in the mirrors, lane departure warning. Looks like we have active cruise control as well. That's the radio out here. Listening to the police. Hopefully we don't see them on the test drive because these are quick little cars. These do have 3 different driving modes. You have your DNA switch down here. You can put it in dynamic. We're just gonna leave it in the normal setting though, but if you're someone that wants a little fun, you can put it in that dynamic setting and they're just a blast to drive. So for those of you that haven't seen our videos, we give them just about half pedal. We'll take it down the ramp here and get it up to highway speeds to show you what everyday driving looks like. We're gonna catch the green. ridiculous. And this gets 30, I think it's rated at 31 miles to the gallon on the highway. And just a fun car, all-wheel drive. Get on the brakes here. No shakes, no shimmies, does everything it should, nothing it shouldn't. Still under factory warranty. So give us a call, 319-393-8496. My name is Tommy. Kyle is sitting in the passenger seat. We'd be glad to answer any questions you have on it. We also do offer shipping to the lower 48 states. So if you're not in the area, give us a call. We can get you more details on that. Ship it right to your driveway. Or stop on in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. We're about 4 hours away from a lot of major metro areas. Chicago, Minneapolis, St. Louis, Milwaukee. Give us a call, 319-393-8496. Thanks for watching.